Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed.
Today, we'll talk about how to care for a ball python. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods to care for your ball python. So stick around for that. First, we'll set up your python's new home. Before delving deeper, some believe ball pythons prefer small, dark, plastic terrariums. This is false. Housing your ball python in an undersized terrarium may result in an overweight snake with underdeveloped muscles. Instead, purchase a terrarium that matches your pet's size and provides room to move. Here's an overview. Hatchlings weighing up to 300 grams should be housed in an enclosure measuring 50 centimeters by 28 centimeters by 33 centimeters, or about 10 gallons. Juvenile ball pythons less than 3 feet long require a terrarium approximately 90 centimeters long by 45 centimeters wide by 45 centimeters tall. Adults over 3 feet long require a 120 by 60 by 60 centimeters terrarium. Besides acquiring an adequately sized enclosure, here are other things to consider. Get a front-opening terrarium to easily access your pet. Ensure the terrarium locks to stop your pet from escaping. Incorporate lighting that mimics the day and night cycle and provides a low-intensity UVB light. Maintain a surface temperature of 35 to 40 degrees Celsius and night temperatures of 21 to 26 degrees Celsius. The general temperatures shouldn't exceed 35 degrees Celsius. Regulate the habitat's temperatures using a heating pad and radiant heat panels. Maintain the daytime humidity at 60 to 80% and nighttime humidity at 80 to 100%. Use water bowls, mist, and a cypress mulch substrate to hold moisture. Finally, incorporate hiding spaces, a water dish, branches, artificial foliage, and a terrarium background to make the space feel homey. Next, let's talk feeding. Ball pythons need to eat whole animals to meet their nutrition requirements. Feed your snake with frozen rodents to prevent injury. Give rats to adults and mice to juveniles. Feed your adult snake every 1 or 2 weeks and younger snakes every 5 days. Use tongs or hemostats to feed your snake to avoid bites. Finally, don't touch your snake for at least 48 hours after feeding to prevent regurgitation. Handling. When handling your ball python, wash your hands and use hand sanitizer to remove bacteria and parasites. Tap the snake's head with a paper towel roll and wait for calm tongue flicks. Pick up your snake with both hands, one behind the head and the other supporting the body. Use a loose grip so the python moves freely. However, gently guide it if it strays. Avoid quick movements. Finally, don't handle a snake within 48 hours of feeding. Also, avoid handling a python whose eyes have turned blue or opaque since they're shedding. Finally, here's what you should know about hygiene and health. Weigh your ball python weekly and note any sudden weight changes. If you notice these, contact a veterinarian. Disinfect the habitat every 4 to 8 weeks and spot clean any waste immediately. Remove uneaten food after feeding. So, there you have it. These steps will help you care for a ball python. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time!